there's a problem in this radar. This is 2117 Furuno radar. As you can see, when we are transmitting, the radar is not showing echo. So we have to self-test this. As you can see, initially that is not showing HV voltage. It must be 320 to 350 voltage because it's 12 kilowatt magnetron up there on transceiver side in a scanner unit. So now we have to diagnose furthermore. You can see the guys, I run the performance test here, but it's not making the whole globe. So the magnetron is not on the ideal performance. The magnetron is degraded. Now as you can see, the radar performance is very good. The echo is very good. The problem was troubleshoot. There's a problem in the magnetron is weak. There's a problem in HV voltage is degraded, and there's a problem in modulator board. The modulator board is short. So we change the HV, we change the modulator board, and we change the new magnetron here. So now the problem is solved. Radar is working fine. Now as you can see on the PM test, it's showing very good glow and the performance is ideal. It's on 24 knot.